Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to use your American Express Gold $7 Dunkin credit and make the most of this monthly benefit. First, make sure your American Express Gold card is enrolled in the rewards program. You can check this in your American Express account online or in the app. Next, visit any participating Dunkin location or use the Dunkin app. Make sure you're paying with your enrolled American Express Gold card to qualify for the $7 monthly credit. The credit applies automatically to eligible purchases, so you don't need to manually redeem it. Keep in mind that the credit resets each month, so it's best to use it before the end of the billing cycle. If you're ordering through the Dunkin app, link your American Express Gold card in the payment section. When you make a qualifying purchase of $7 or more, the credit will be applied automatically, reducing your total by $7. Remember, the credit only covers certain items, so check your receipt or the AMEX app for details on eligible purchases. Any unused credit does not roll over to the next month. By following these steps, you can easily use your American Express Gold $7 Dunkin credit each month and enjoy free coffee or snacks. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.